Hi, it's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and just a little quick video to show you an upgrade I've made to my sewing area. I have this table, or several tables under here, which I put my cutting boards on, and I have a pressing mat as well. But the problem I find is my pressing mat is too small sometimes for like a larger quilt, like for example this one that's sitting here. So what I've done is I got a big sheet of 1/2-inch plywood. Actually, this was one I had sitting around in the garage for years, and it was just the right size. This is about 4 feet by 5 feet 2 inches long. It fits right on this spot perfectly. I covered it with a layer of batting and then another layer of canvas. That's what's on the top of this. And now this whole tabletop surface is now a pressing mat. But when I don't need that much surface, I can just leave my cutting mats right on top of it. It's nice and sturdy and it's level, which before, because there are 3 tables in here, there was a gap between the tables, so things weren't even. Now they are. Now if I need a bigger pressing area, I just simply take the mats off and I have a much bigger pressing area. Or for that matter, when I'm trying to put a quilt together, I can use it as a giant design wall as well, because this canvas, my material will probably stick to it okay. So yeah, this I'm really happy with. I think this is going to make things a little easier, a little bit more efficient, and yeah, and it was easy to make. So hope you like the idea. Bye bye.